Hi guys, it's Andrew Shawn here, and I got Baby Metal Fusion, Storm Pegasus. So here's Storm Pegasus, and he is Rubber Flat RF, so I'll break him apart so you can see him. Come on, Mom, can we put this review on YouTube? Okay, here's the Storm Wheel. Looks pretty awesome. Looks awesome. Around distance around, wait to show you it properly. Here's a spin track. That's performance tip RF rubber flat. Okay, I'm doing this like blue, translucent blue. To see, okay. Has lightning on it. You can see that light. Oh, forgot to focus. Oh. No. Okay, you can see it lightning. Okay. Let me build it together so you can have a look of it battling. Okay. So look at you like this. There, finished it. Okay, Storm Pegasus. I'll launch him, but first let me put the camera down. Okay. Here is camera too. Ah, look. Spinning is this direction. No, yes. Bad spin. What is the spinning? Oh, he stands still. Doesn't matter anything. So, look guys, bye.